Peter. Oh, is that a phone? Hello? Hello, who's calling?
The car.
Oh, sister, brother, kisses and hugs. Give him some more kisses, Grace. Can you say hi?
Hi. Hi.
That's our pretty girl, Grace. Saturday morning cartoons.
Mike, wait. Let's take a picture.
Whoop, what's he doing?
Take a picture.